a new launch in town, and you guys know how I am with new launches. So today I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Nykaa paint sticks for you guys. So I've had like the upper hand in this game because I had these lipsticks ever since I had my meet and greet in Ahmedabad. So I've had time to play with these, think what I feel about them, and let you guys know them about as well. So today I'm going to be reviewing the paint sticks for you, and before starting with the review I would like to say that if my mouth area looks red like Hanumanji right now, it is because I swatched all 12 of these lipsticks and the constant tugging and pulling turned my face red. It's not because of the staining of the lipsticks. I did try to cover up with foundation, but I guess it sort of failed. So yes, I'm gonna first talk you through what I feel about the lipsticks. So I really like the packaging. It's color coded, so it's really easy to make out which color it is without reading the name or anything. The names, however, are really cute as well, so I really like the names. Then secondly, these retail for 425 rupees, which in my opinion is affordable. You get about 3.5 gram of products, and the finish of them are creme. The finish of these lipsticks are creme. They're very easy to apply. They do not enhance fine lines at all. In fact, they sort of cover up your fine lines, which is a nice thing. They stay on your lips for about 4 to 5 hours, after which they fade away and they leave a nice stain on your lips. They don't fade from center to line and then just remain like a line, but they fade all over, and they give like a nice stain to your lips to, you know, look pretty even after it has faded. I was going through the list of claims and everything of these lipsticks, and they say that they have vitamin E in them, and if it does, then it's a great thing because vitamin E is great for your lips and to maintain the health. These are very comfortable to wear. They're very plush and they do not even require a lip balm underneath. They are very comfortable, as I said. Now coming to the con part of it, I am not a very big fan of the bullet itself because it's very wide and flat, so it's slightly, you know, difficult to apply these lipsticks, especially if you have thin lips. You would really need to apply these with a lip brush, which is a kind of a bummer. Then these do transfer to whatever you eat or drink or kiss. Just saying. Valentine's Day just went by, so I don't know. These do transfer, but they don't transfer like crazy. They do transfer slightly. They're really pigmented and they give you like an opaque coverage in just one swipe, which I really like. All of the hand swatches are just a single swipe, so keep that in mind. So that was my review for the newly launched paint sticks. Now moving on to the swatches. I know this is the part you are here for. Hashtag Swatch Bharat Abhiyan. So yes, I'm going to start with the swatches. There are 12 colors in this range. They're very fun and experimenting. They're not like just a normal run-of-the-mill pink and red. They are like new, fun, trending colors. So that's why I really like this range as well. So yeah, without any further ado, let's move on to the swatches. So the first shade is called Nude Spice. It's a beautiful nude color, but it's slightly warmer, deeper nude color, so it would suit fair to medium people easily. It's very pretty. I really love how it looked on me, and again I cannot wait to wear it. And this does not match any color from the previous Nykaa So Matte Nude collection or from the previous Nykaa So Matte Original collection, so that was a great thing because they have been creating newer colors, which I highly appreciate. Then we have Cool Girl Nude, which is like a blue based taupey sort of a color. It's a very pretty color again, and this is the perfect nude for people from medium to deeper skin tone. People with fair skin tone can also wear it, but this won't be like a nude on them. This would be slightly like a taupey brown greyish sort of a color, but again it's a very pretty color. Then we have 03 or No Chill Orange. This is like a deeper burnt sort of an orange. It's not like a neon orange, but a very wearable orange. This is the type of orange I would suggest to you if you were afraid to wear orange and you wanted to try an orange out. This is that sort of an orange. Very beautiful, very, you know, grown up, mature orange, I would like to say, but nonetheless it is quite pretty. I really enjoy these shades because I feel like all of them are very universal in nature. They would suit a lot of people in a lot of different skin tone types and undertones and everything, so that's another thing that I like about this collection. Then we have 04 Peaches and Cream. It's a beautiful peachy sort of a color with pink undertones. This is perfect for people who are pale to sort of like medium skin tones, my type skin tones. I feel it's a very cute color. It would make you feel like a young teenage college going girl, which I really like. It's a very youthful, girly, cute color. Then we have the color 05 Tender Rose, which is a beautiful pink color. Obviously, I'm not saying that I don't like mainstream pinks and reds, but you know, in this collection they have like 2 pinks and 2 reds, and all of the other rest remaining shades are like nice and trending colors. So this is one of those colors that if you want the formulation but you don't want to like go out and experiment, then this is that type of a color for you. It's a very beautiful pink. It just looks very, you know, Again, a very girly color, but not over the top. It's a very subtle girly color. Then I have the shade 06 Chick Flick Pink. This is more like an out there pink color, and it looks very young and very fun, and you know, just kind of it's pink but a fun pink. And then we have the shade Rock and Roll Pink, which is actually a fuchsia color. It's high on purple undertones, and it looks very pretty. Slightly neon-y, again a very fun pink because it is fuchsia, or however that's supposed to be pronounced. So yes, it is fuchsia. It's very, you know, out there, bright, and when you have this on, you are screaming for attention. Next up we have 08 or Purple Monster. Now this is one of my favorite colors because this is such a nice, trending, unique color. I don't think generally, you know, companies do this sort of a color. It's a very beautiful purple color. And again, it's not for the faint-hearted. This is for people who want to experiment, want to try out something new, but yet, you know, keep their lips very nice. This does remind me a lot of MAC Heroine, if I'm not wrong, but it's a very fun color. I really enjoyed wearing this. Then we have the shade 09 Bombshell Berry. This is a very beautiful berry color with red and brown undertones. Very beautiful, very dramatic, especially for winter times. Now that winters are gone, I'm really like but yes, it's a very beautiful color. Would look stunning. If your mom loves wearing berry colors like my mom, then she would love this color. It's very gorgeous. Then we have the color Rebellious Red, which is like a brick color sort of a red. It's not like extremely brown based red, but it's not extremely red based red or blue based red. It's somewhere a mix of all these three, but leans towards brick sort of a red. It's a mature red. Again, it's that sort of a red which I would tell you to wear if you were scared of wearing red lips, because this is not something that screams for attention but still gives you a lot of attention. So it's like pearls in amongst diamonds. You get the saying, right? I hope you do. I hope you do. I love diamonds and pearls both, so I don't really mind any. Then we have Hearts and Kisses, which is a beautiful pink based red. Now this is a girly red, so I would suggest that if you're just a teenager who's starting out wearing red lipstick, this is the type of red lipstick that you should wear. It's very sweet, very subtle, very girly sort of a red. If you're going for a girly, ultra feminine sort of a look, then this is the red that would be perfect for your look, because it's very cute, feminine, and you know, just a very cute color. There are some colors which are cute, and this is one of them. And then lastly we have Grunge Brown. This is the color I have on my lips right now as well. This is a very deep brown. This reminds me a lot of True Brown K. It's brown to the extent of brown. Again, not a lot of companies do this sort of a brown. The browns they generally do are lighter browns, mellow browns. This is a deep damn brown color which I absolutely love. I love this brown color. It is just so stunning. I love it, I love it, I love it. So yes, with that I complete all of the swatches. In short, I really love the formulation. They are creme, they're very comfortable. I wish the bullet was thinner. I really do wish that. And overall, I'm pretty happy with the color range and the new exciting colors that they've gotten out. I wish they extend this range and bring out even more exciting colors in the future. So yes, that's gonna be my review and swatches for the paint sticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you didn't, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if there's any other new launch you guys would like me to try out, then all you have to do is comment below, and your wish is my command. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.